RetireGuide Retirement Planner Honest review. Watch before using. RetireGuide is an online resource dedicated to provide a comprehensive information on retirement planning. It offers a wealth of articles and guides covering various aspects of retirement, including investment, health care, and the financial wellness. However, it is important to note that RetireGuide does not offer an interactive retirement planning tools or calculator. So talking about the key features, you have this a wide range of features that makes this retirement planner stand out compared to others. So one of these best features is a educational content. They provide educational content. They also provide an expert insight. So the platform features content writing by financial experts aiming to help users making informed decisions about their retirement. It also comes with an accessible information. All resources are freely available online. Make it easy for users to access information without any subscription or payment. So talking about the pros and cons of this platform. So the pro is the good side, while the con is the bad side. So it is good to understand the good and the bad side of a particular platform before diving into it. So we're going to review the good side of this platform. So talking about the good side, the comprehensive guide, the platform covers a wide range of retirement related topics, providing users with a broad understanding of subject. It also has this user-friendly interface with the website is easy to navigate and so allow users to find the relevant information quickly. Now talking about the downside, which is no interactive tools. RetireGuide does not offer a calculator or interactive planning tools to help users model their retirement. And also, while the content is broad and may not cater to individual financial situation to provide a personalized recommendation. Here's a very conclusion about this platform, which is the RetireGuide serves as a valuable educational resource for any individual seeking to understand the various aspects of retirement planning. Its comprehensive articles and expert insights can help users build a foundational knowledge of retirement-related topics. However, for those looking for interactive tools to model their personal retirement scenarios, additional resource or a platform may be necessary. So if you're interested in exploring retirement planning tools that offer interactive features and personalized projection, feel free to ask in the comment section. Thanks.